So what we're going to be talking about in this week is about static data members, like static functions and static data attributes. And the importance of that, so if I'm going to just create a class called, let's say, vehicles, okay? And here, if I wanted to have a data member, so I'm going to call it private static int count of vehicles. And then I'm going to create a constructor for each vehicle. Oops, that's not what I want. So I'm going to create a constructor for the vehicle. And I'm going to actually, I did a plural, but that's fine. And then every time I create a new vehicle object, I'm going to instantiate it. I'm going to increment that counter. And you can then, if we want to print the total number of vehicles, so I'm going to return that this static data member through a static function. And so if I were to test this out, I go back here, get rid of this code, and then I say vehicles, and I want to create a bunch of vehicles. And let's say that every time I create one, I'm just going to add it to a list of 5. And here I specified the length, and then I'm going to print out the number of vehicles. So if I run this, you're going to see 5. And then you can see how every time we create a new instance, we can actually see it incrementing the value. So I'm going to say here, all right, count of vehicles. Okay, so if we go back here and then run this again, you're going to see it incrementing. And then we see the final one. So the key thing here is the fact that we have a static data member, and then we are using a function, another static method to be able to get access to this.